In this part, we are going to create this searching area. And this search area contains 4 parts. And the 4 main parts include the search chat, and this is red circled, and which has a gray background colors. And as you can notice, this has a light gray borders. And we also has a search bar. This is the blue area which contains the search icon and also this input field. So now we back to the search bar components and go down to the bottoms and paste this search chat style component. And you can see this has a light gray colors. And we also add the borders, so we can see it if we add this underneath this header component. So we type search chat and save it. Now you can see it has a light gray at the sidebar, and you can see this has a borders. And now we continue on the search bar which hold the icons and also the input field. So we back to our project and go down to the bottoms and add these search bar components, and which used to display as flags. And we also add some padding, so the search icon and also the input field will not too close to the edges. And we also will create a round corners. If you notice, this is a round corners. And we will also add a borders at the bottom. As you can see, this is a light gray borders at the bottom of the input field. So if you look at this, we have the display is flags, the border radius, and also we have the border at the bottom, and we also have the paddings. So we go inside the search chat. So we, instead of using the closing tag, we use open again and paste to here, and which is the search bar. So we save it. So you should notice that we already create the search bar area with white background colors, and there's a borders at the bottom. So now we are going to add the icon and also the input field inside this search bar area. To add the search icon, again we go to the material icon and click on this and copy this import sentence and back to our sidebar and go to the top and import this. And inside this we add the search icon and save it. Now we already see the search icon appear. Now we have to add the input field. So we back to the sidebar and go down and paste the input field. And now we try to set not the style, no style, and see what happens, and go to the top and go inside the search bar and type search input. Now you can see the input field appear, and what we want to do is to set the width to 100% so that people can type the text at this size. So we go to the bottom and set the width to 100%. Now we also want to hide this border, so we type border none. So now we can type the text inside this input field in full width, and so this is how to create this search bar.